talking about graphing, and one of the applications of graphing is to solve a system of equations. Let's try to do this as quickly as possible. First of all, we have y equals x squared plus x minus 6, and we have 2y equals 8x minus 12. This one is ready to go. That's a quadratic equation. We can type it in the calculator and get the points to plot the graph. This one here is not ready to go. We can't graph this until we have solved for y. I'm going to solve it for y right now by dividing both sides by 2. These 2's cancel, so y equals, here I have to divide there, and I have to divide there. So I have 8 divided by 2 gives me 4x minus 12 divided by 2 is a whole number, and that is 6. So this is the other graph that I'm going to make. Let's do that right now on the graph paper. So first of all, let's graph the quadratic equation that's on top. I'm going to graph the quadratic equation first. So I have my y-axis, I have my x-axis, and I'm going to put in a scale. There's a scale, and there's my scale. Now, I'm going to my calculator, and I'm going to type in the quadratic part of this on the calculator. I'm going to type into the calculator under y, hit the y equals button, and I'm going to type in x squared plus x minus 6. And let's see what this gives us when I hit second table. It gets me ready to plot some points. So I'm going to plot some points here right now. Let's see, we have here -1, -6. So -1 and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another point is 0, -6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another point here is 1, -4. So this is over 1, 1, 2, 3, -4. Another point is 2, 0. So 1, 2, and then there's 0. Another point is 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is giving me enough points on this side. Let's get some more of the points over there. I'm scrolling up here. It looks like -4, -1, -2, -3, 4, and then up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And did I miss one? How about -3, 0? -1, -2, -3, and right there is 0. This is giving me enough points. I can see what my parabola looks like. It looks something like this. And I'm going to go ahead and graph my parabola in there. Okay, by the way, this point down at the very bottom is our vertex, and the line that slices the parabola in half is called the axis of symmetry. These 2 points, the points where the parabola crosses through the x-axis, those are the roots, which you should remember from factoring. Okay, let's graph that line quickly now to find our solutions. So we're going to graph the line, and remember the equation of the line that we're going to graph is 4x minus 6. So my y-intercept is -6. Let's see here. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is -6 on the y-axis. So that's one of the points. And now we're going to go from there. Right there is -6. I'm going to go from there, and I'm going to use my slope. My slope is 4, which is 4 over 1. So that's up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. This is giving me enough points that I can go ahead and draw this in, so I'm going to draw this in. Maybe first I'll go down -1, -2, -3, -4, and over 1. And I'm going to draw these points in right now. Drawing in our line. The music in the background, that is the music that the janitors play when they think all the teachers have gone home. Alright, do you see that we have this parabola, and here we have this line? Where does the line and the parabola meet? Well, the line and the parabola meets at this point. That point is the point 0, -6. And it meets at this point. And what are the coordinates of that point? That's 1, 2, 3, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the point 3, 6. So these are the solutions to this problem.